Okay, hello everyone. I'm Niwen Fitriani from 7A class. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk about presenting in a seminar. There are three parts that I'm going to talk to you, which are the first one is how to prepare for a presentation. The second one is the guidelines for creating effective slides in presenting in a seminar. The third one is the final step in preparing how to prepare in a seminar. Okay, before I explain about those parts, I would like to talk a little bit about presentation. Do you know what is presentation? Okay, presentation is a formal conversation with one or more people who present an idea, an information, or the material in a clear and structured way. And the presenter will be given the time or duration to convey what will be conveyed. Okay, the first part is how to prepare for a presentation. In this part, you will focus on 5 topics. There are preparation, gather resource, the logistic, the equipment needed, and the last one is organize the material. Okay, before you present in a seminar, you need to prepare the key points. It will make you easier in presenting the information that you want to convey because the key point can make the presentation run smoothly. The next is you have to know who is your audience. What are they interested in your topic? Do they expect the data or the concept? If you know about the audience, you will be easier in preparing the topic. Okay, the next point is gather resources. In preparing before presenting in a seminar, you need to gather the resources. What will you cover in presenting in a seminar? How much detail that you need, and remembering the time too, because the time that will be given to you is limited. Okay, the next point is the logistic. The next is about the logistics. Think about how big the hall where we'll be speaking and how much the time that will be given to you, and also remember what time of the day you will be present. And the next is equipment needed. You have to know what you will be given and what you have to bring in a seminar. You must prepare the internet connection, the computer, microphone, and the software. Okay, the next point is organize the material. In presenting in a seminar, you must divide the material into 3 parts, which are the introduction, body, and the conclusion. In introduction, you have to share the idea. Tell the audiences what they should listen, why they should listen to you, and the last is you have to establish the personal credibility. And the next is in the body of the material, you have to cover the main topics and use the examples, the statistics, citation, and the comparison. And in the conclusion, you must give a summary and emphasize the most important point in the material that you give before. Okay, the next is the guidelines for creating effective slides in presenting in a seminar. In the introduction part, focus on the accuracy and clarity and make it simple. Just put the point of the material and don't use the contrast color. And use the dark background for the slides to enhance readability of our PowerPoint, and use good quality image to make the reader can see the image on the slide clearly. And pay attention to the size the font in our material. Okay, the final step is, the last part is the final steps in presenting in a seminar. Before you do the presentation, you have to practice how to present the topic in the seminar. And the last is show your presentation to someone who becomes the audience. And the last one is show your presentation to someone who knows nothing about your field. Do they get you want to say? Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.